Fourth quarter results out from Delta Airlines. Phil LeBeau joins us now with the details. Hey, Phil.
Hey, Joe. Delta beating on the bottom line for the fourth quarter, earning $1.55 a share, 2 cents better than the street estimate. As for revenue, a little bit shy of expectations, coming in at $14.61 billion. As for the metrics within the fourth quarter, here they are. Cost or revenue per available seat mile down not much, less than 1%, 0.1% compared to the Q4 of 24. Cost per seat mile up 4% year over year. Free cash flow in the fourth quarter, $17.97 billion, with an operating margin of 10.1%. By the way, the street was expecting an operating margin of 10.6%. The revenue segments, they break down like this. Premium up 9% in the fourth quarter. International up 2%. And domestic revenue, remember, Delta, like all the airlines, they really saw business slow down during the government shutdown, and there were concerns that you were not going to see positive domestic revenue growth. Well, they did in the fourth quarter, up 0.2%. As for the first quarter and 2026 guidance, in the first quarter, Delta expects to earn between 50 and 90 cents a share. The street's at 72 cents a share, with revenue coming in 5 to 7% higher compared to the first quarter of 2025. In 26, the company expects to earn between $6.50 and $7.50 a share. The street is currently at $7.25, with free cash flow of between $3 and $4 billion. And one more note, guys, Delta is announcing that it is ordering 30 Boeing 787-10 Dreamliners, with an option for 30 more, deliveries to start in 2031. We will be talking with Ed Bastian exclusively coming up in about a half hour, guys. Lots to discuss, primarily about the outlook for 26. Will it be the profitability that Delta and so many others within the airline industry were expecting in 25 before the headwinds started between the tariffs and the government shutdown? We'll be talking with Ed in about a half hour. Guys, back to you.
Sounds good, Phil. One thing I want to, are fares like skyrocketing or something? I've done a couple of things recently. It's like, wait a second. I don't remember these types of numbers a year ago, even. Will he cop to that, you think?
Well, we can ask him about that. We certainly will. Look, there has been capacity coming out of the system. And the expectation is that in the first quarter, and remember, the first quarter is the slow quarter for the airline industry. The first quarter for the industry in the U.S. may be the first profitable first quarter since 2019. A lot of that has to do with capacity coming out of the system, because there was too much capacity in the summer. Last summer, there was way too much within the system. That was the drag that was hurting profitability. Certainly not as much at Delta or at United, but other carriers certainly noticed that impact more.
All right, so that people that are looking at their bank account after trying to travel somewhere can say, "Oh, honey, there was capacity coming out of the. It's not my fault." All right, I'll see if that works, Phil. Thank you. Come.